Hello everyone, welcome to the Play with Code. In today's lecture 8, we are going to discuss about the basic concept of regarding tokens. C tokens are also called building blocks. A small unit of C programming is known as their tokens. In C, tokens are divided into mainly six categories. First is keyboard, second is identifier, third is constant, fourth is operator, five is special character, and sixth is string. These are the six fundamental concepts regarding tokens. These are the six basic concepts. Tokens are divided into six categories. Every C word is classified as their keywords या identifier. All keywords have fixed meaning and these meanings can't be changed. In C language, keywords are fixed meaning. Keywords serve as the basic building blocks for the programming statement. All keywords must live in lower cases. In C language, keywords have fixed meaning. There are total 32 keywords. Auto, break, case, character, const, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, and etc. etc. These are 30. Must keep it in your mind in short. After 2 and 3 lecture, we have going to discuss each keyboard with their programs. Then we can easily understand how a keyboard is used. Just wait. After that, identifier. Identifier refers to the means of variable, function, and arrays. These user-defined names and consists of a sequence of letter and digit with letter as a first character, both upper and lowercase. Permitted along lowercase letter are commonly used. Underscore character is also permitted in identifier. It is usually used between two words along identifier. That means say that identifier means the variable function array. These are user-defined names and consists of sequence of letters. Identifier consists first character must be upper and lowercase. It is the link between two words in long identifier. Rules of identifier. After making an identifier, what concept regarding what types of rules we can keep it in mind. First character may be alphabet and underscore. Second, must contain only letter, digit and underscore. Only 31 characters are significant. We can't use a keyboard. Must contain black space. These are the five basic concepts we regard making keep in mind at the time of making identifier. Alphabet and underscore, letter, digit and underscore. 31 characters are significant. We can't use keyboard. After that, we are going to discuss the constant. What do you mean by constant? It refers to the fixed value that doesn't change during the execution of code. At the time of making constant, during the execution of command, it consists of two types: numeric constant, alphabetical constant. In numeric constant, we can say the total 10, and there is 26 big character and 26 small character. That means there are total 52 characters in the alphabet and numeric constant. After that, constants are divided into two parts: numeric and alphabet. Alphabet constants are character that is A to Z and string. Decimal character. Decimal character means base 10. Octal character means base 8. Hexadecimal means 16. These are the numericals. Suppose that we know that computer only understand 0 and 1. If suppose that we want to write 10, then what computer study? Computer learn this 1010. That is the decimal conversion. In many most of them there are we learn decimal construction, octal construction, hexadecimal. These are the basic concepts. Constant, decimal integer constant. It consists 0 to 9 all preceded by the option, immediate space and non-character. Octal integer constant, that is consists 0 to 7 all digits. A hexadecimal constant 0 to 15. That means after 10 we write not 10. That is known as A. B is known as 11, C is known as 10, 12, D is known as 13, E is known as 14, or F is known as 50. 0 to 9 is same, but after 10 A, B, C, D is common to use them in hexadecimal. Variables. Variable is a data name which is occupy space in memory and allow us to change throughout the program. Variable data name which occupy space in memory and allow to change throughout the program. Variable's name is a user defined name and can be changed chosen by a programmer in meaningful way as to the reflect its function or nature in the program. Variable is mainly we can say that variable is user defined and can be chosen by programmer in a meaningful way. That is known as average, sum, subtract, total, etc. Which types of work we can be doing. How? At the time of making variables, there are some concept regarding we can keep it in our mind is that variable name consists letter, digit, underscore according to the following condition. They must begin with a letter. Some system permit us to begin in variable name with underscore character. Uppercase and lowercase distinct variable. Rajni is not the same as Rajni. Dono are different. It consists not be a keyboard. Reserved words are not allowed as a variable. White or black space is not allowed. Special symbols are not allowed except underscore. Variable name is a combination of 1 to 31 alphabet digit or underscore. Some compiler allows variables names whose length could be 247 characters. Still, it should be safer to stick rules of character. Do not create unnecessarily long variable name and it is geared toward typing it. These are the 5 6 fundamental concepts regarding variable. We must keep it in your mind at the time of making a program, but after 2 and 3 lecture we all discussion with the help of turbo cc and visual studio code we make all the program we take how variable works keyboard work these all types. Next, in the next lecture we are going to introduce is the basic concept regarding operator. How what is do you mean by operator in lecture here. Thank you.